In a canal irrigation project, 76% of Sika remained without water during Kharif season and 58% of Sika remained without water during Rabi season in a particular year. Rest of the areas got irrigated in each crop respectively. What is the intensity of irrigation for project in the year?
Smart move, 66% is an accurate answer.
Irrigation water having the concentration of Na++, Ka++, and Mg++ as 20, 3 and 1 milli equivalent per liter, respectively, will be classified as on track. Medium sodium water is the correct answer.
This is the picture of dash irrigation method. Correct, drip is the right answer. Irrigation dash is the process used by irrigation system managers to determine the correct frequency and duration of watering. Exactly. Scheduling makes sense and it is right choice. The amount of irrigation water requires to meet the evapotranspiration needs of the crop during its full growth is called. Nice selection. Consumptive irrigation requirement is the correct and valid answer. Which of the following canal structures is used to remove surplus water from an irrigation channel into natural drain? Valid point. Canal escape is true. Please tell us which of the following documents is used to calculate irrigation regimes for crops. 1. Well picked. All documents above is the correct answer. With what type of mounting does a sprinkler irrigation network give the best results? You chose revolving sprinkler heads, and it is correct. Dash. Headwork serves to divert the required supply into the canal from river. Perfect. Diversion is the correct choice. In India, most irrigation schemes fall under which category of irrigation? Great thinking. Tank irrigation is the right choice. What kind of irrigation method uses artificial rain to irrigate the land? Well done. Sprinkler irrigation method is the right choice. What is the quality of a good irrigation method from the following? Solid response. Increased yield is a valid choice, which is not a classification based on purpose served by headwork. You got it? Your choice storage scheme is right. Which type of irrigation sends water to the root zone of plants? Well reasoned. Drip is the correct choice. The amount of water that plant roots can absorb is called dash. Right again. Available water is a valid answer. The most expensive but most efficient method of irrigation is... Correct response. Drip is the most accurate answer. The irrigation system that adds water by flooding furrows is... Nicely done. Surface is a solid answer. The loss of water from a plant through the leaves is called... Smart pick. Transpiration is the correct choice. The most common method among surface methods of irrigation. Right choice. Check basin is the best answer. Dash is provided for removing silt from irrigation water. Sharp thinking. Silt excluder is the right choice. The irrigation system that transports most water is dash. Nice work. You chose the tractor-powered system, and it is correct. What has made irrigation possible in high-level areas? Good thinking. River lift system is the right answer. Which type of irrigation avoids the wastage of water?
Excellent. Drip irrigation is a brilliant choice.
The field water efficiency of trickle irrigation is?
You're right. 80–90% is the correct answer. Watering of plants through artificial means dash. Clear logic. Your choice irrigation is sound and 100% true. Excessive irrigation in drier climates leads to? Excellent choice. Increased soil salinization is the right answer.
What is the other name for flood irrigation?
Strong choice. Uncontrolled irrigation is the right answer. Tank water irrigation system is common in? Great job. Andhra Pradesh is the accurate answer. Corrugation is a type of a dash irrigation. Good job. Your answer furrow works well here. Where is sprinkler irrigation popular? Bravo. Vegetable gardens, crops, lawns, golf courses is the answer.
Dash is a form of overhead irrigation.
You're right. Sprinkler is the correct answer. Sprinkler irrigation is used in soils. Smart pick. Sandy soils is the correct choice. Cheap and popular irrigation in India? Clear logic. Your choice well is sound and 100% true. Sub-irrigation is used in areas with? Great job. High water table is the accurate answer. What happens in drip irrigation? Nicely done. Water falls drop by drop on roots is a solid answer. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Well done. Contact Narayan Changda is the right choice.